Do you know what? We say that a lot, don't we?
We've
said that before. Do you know what? So, I'm a little bit upset.
You're always upset. You're a bit grumpy recently.
I'm either angry or upset. They know that. I'm getting a name for myself.
You are?
But with good reason. And I'll tell you why.
Go on then.
Because we ain't been racing, have we?
Well, we've been doing the old Bedford Club racing and the LMP.
That's
and
true.
The Tamiya racing, just racing with a smile. We've not done big events of late, though, have we?
No, we haven't. Do you know what? The thing is with what we do everything. Touring cars, buggies, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, stadium trucks, LMP, rally, speed ones.
No, we don't.
We don't do speed ones, do we? But we do a lot. And what's that old phrase, innit? Jack of all trades, master of none. That's it, us saying it.
That is.
Yeah. But I can see what you've done here. So we've got these cars. Now, we are going to be running these cars at the most amazing event. We've mentioned it on the channel before. That's right, we're talking about the Milton Keynes GP, the British GP.
Can't wait. Do you know what? This is your third event. This is your third year running at it.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Popalong RC. I'm Carl, this is Mark, and today we are at the UK's biggest RC car event of the year.
It is absolutely humongous. Look at the size of this place. But
it's amazing.
It's exciting times, isn't it? It's actually run by Silverstone RC Club and sponsored by Schumacher. And let me tell you something, I'm looking forward to this.
Now, we have got drivers from all over the world. We've got some top sponsored drivers here at this event. The standard is through the roof. This event is actually taking place inside Milton Keynes Shopping Centre in front of John Lewis. Schumacher are the sponsors of today's event, and I am here with Robin Schumacher. You might not know this, but some people have described you as Father Christmas of the RC world because you are responsible for so many toys under people's Christmas trees over the years. I know Mark, he had a Schumacher when he was a little nipper, but today is about the British Grand Prix. You've got quite a team with you today. Where have they come from?
All over the world. We've got a great team. Michael Orlowski is our top driver from Poland, and he's top qualified today in two-wheel drive class, which we're very happy about. But also we've got good strength and depth. We've got Daniel Kobovic from Norway in the final. We've got Brock Champlin from USA, who's made the trip over, and plus a couple of our top English drivers, Lee Martin and Josh Holdsworth. So we've got a great team.
Hello, welcome to Popalong RC. I'm Mark.
And I am Carl, and today we are at the British GP here at the MK Shopping Centre. This is the highlight of the year, the biggest competition. Some say in Europe. This is a massive event.
We've got some world-class racers coming to
You say world-class, we've got world champions.
Yeah, we have, yeah. Do you know, I can barely talk, I'm so excited.
world champion touring car, is that correct?
And also four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive
Yeah.
buggies.
Yeah.
Is that when was that then for the four-wheel drive buggy?
It was in Japan 9 years ago, and it was 2-3 years ago in Saudi Arabia.
Excellent stuff. Now you were here last year, top 3 last year, I believe, wasn't it? So you're going to get the win today. What do you reckon?
I cannot predict that, but yeah, we are working hard for that. Until now, it's looking very good. The car is working pretty good. So, but we know, we have like 6 minutes practice until now, and we are going straight to the qualify. So everything can happen. The track is very challenging. So yeah, looking.
And how long have you been in the UK for? So is it a quick visit?
Yeah, we arrived yesterday. So just unpack everything, make everything ready to race,
And we're going from there.
For the marshals are ready, super truckers, we're going racing on the sound of the tone. And here we go, AJ number 3, Mikhail Orlowski, your top qualifier, bringing the field around to the final final, a two-wheel drive. Here's the 2024 British Off-Road Grand Prix.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So I will be running this lovely Cougar here. It will be brushed because I just think it would be cool to do something different. And I'm going to be running the Mardave Cobra, which I haven't got here. Didn't bring it. And then Darren from DMS Racing is going to be sponsoring us a little bit of a project. I'm going to be borrowing one of his LC Racing four-wheel drive buggies, all bells and whistles, and I'm going to be racing that as well. So I'm going to be busy.
You are going to be busy.
What are you
now, I
racing?
believe with that LC racing car, you can be running all Orca electrics throughout. You like your Orca stuff, don't you?
I really like the Orca stuff. I like the way it works. I like the way it
Aren't
looks.
you upgrading your ESC to Orca as well?
So at the moment, Orca have released a version 2. It's a brushed ESC, and it's just come into the country. I got a little message from our good pal Darren over at DMS, and he went, "Don't fall over," he said, "but your ESC's finally come in." And what a great time. So that will be definitely going in here. I am going to disappoint you. I am going to put a faster brushed motor in because I don't think the Core 15 is going to cut it on that massive track. So I am going to be replacing that with a brushed motor, but it will be a 13 double. So it's going to have a little bit more grunt. But like I say, it's just something different. I just thought it would be fun. As it's vintage, let's try and make it as vintage as possible. So there you go.
There you go. Well, as for me, I am running the ST2 Stadium truck. Last run, actually, this was run at the Charged RC event, and it's not been run since.
Are you going to do anything to it? Was it all right there?
I think what I'm going to do is I might fix that because that seems to have come loose. I don't know why.
You've got to fix that.
Don't know why they've come loose.
Why has that done that?
I don't know.
You
I
need to
said,
fix
I don't
that.
know why that's come
You
loose.
need to fix it. You've got to fix that.
Because that's
Make sure you
going to
fix
be
it.
annoying, isn't it?
Don't leave it. Make sure you fix it.
I need to... That's not even connected. I'm probably going to have to get transponder for it.
Yeah.
Steering feels alright at the moment. Do you know what? I just need to put some time in and give the car a little once over. Tyre wise, I'm going to stick with what we got. Might get myself a new set because I say these have been run at Hearts and at Charge.
I think the fronts will be alright. Well, you want less grip anyway, don't you? So you probably just want to redo the rears, don't you?
Redo the rears, but might treat myself to some nice new rubber. In terms of spares and bits for this car, I have... oh, here's my spares.
Go on, where's your spares?
There they are.
You ain't got no spares?
Got nothing.
Well, you know what? It's just as well. We're going to be around lots of people who might have a few spares.
They might have a few spares. I think the Schumacher team are going to be there. Hopefully they might give me some pointers when I'm embarrassing their masterpiece. However, we've also got a couple of shops on site. I believe for Sam will be there, and also DMS is going to be there.
Correct.
So,
And they will be stocked to the rafters with tyres, bits and pieces and things and all that
yeah,
good
I
stuff.
just hope there's a few little truck bits there as well.
So, again, you know, we have been kind of pushing this because we want to get as many people there as possible because it's on the 14th, 15th, 16th of February, Valentine's weekend.
It is.
Take your missus there. Take your...
Get her a coffee in John
whatever,
Lewis.
take your husband there, whatever, who cares, whatever, just take someone there, yeah? Take someone there, go get yourself McDonald's, treat them, go take them to McDonald's, get them an apple pie. That's what I do.
There should be a health and safety
That's
warning
what I
on
do.
those apple pies.
You
There
know-
probably is, actually.
I remember, do you want to hear a story?
Go on then.
I remember when I was a young boy, many years ago now, and it was Valentine's Day.
Right.
And she said, after that, she said she was never going to contact me ever again because she couldn't get it out.